This is Year 6 Maths for Wednesday the 1st of July, and the learning objective is I can use trial and improvement to solve a problem. Hi Year 6, it's more problem solving today, and today we have some brain teasers using dominoes, so here we go. First, to get going, have a look at these sequences of dominoes. Can you say what you think the next two dominoes would be in each sequence? Pause the video while you try to work it out. So here's the solution. In the first sequence, it would go from 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4 to 1 5 and then 1 6. In the second sequence, it's counting back with 3 at the top, so 3 6, 3 5, then 3 4 and 3 3. Now we're going to start doing some problem solving. Take a look at these 4 dominoes. Can you arrange them to make a square so that each side has the same number of dots on it? There's a little picture to show you how you might arrange the dominoes, but making sure that each side adds up to the same total number of dots. To get going with this, you might want to think about the biggest number of dots you could have on one side, and then the smallest number of dots you could have on one side. Use that to help you think about what would be a good starting point for your total for each side. Pause the video while you have a try, but there is another tip on the next slide if you need it. If you'd like an extra tip to help solve this problem, can you make each side sum to 12? So here's the solution. Each side has a total of 12. So for example, along the top, there's 6 dots on then 4 dots, that's a total of 10, plus another 2 dots, that side totals to 12. Now here's another problem to try. There's a copy of this on the website if you want to print it out. You need these 10 dominoes, the highest is a double 3. Can you use these dominoes to make a square so that each side has 8 dots? The dominoes don't have to match, so for example you don't have to have a 3 next to a 3. If you wanted to, you could cut out the dominoes on the sheet and place them in a square to help, or if you have a whiteboard at home or something that you can, or just some scrap paper, you could use that to make some jottings. Pause the video while you solve this problem, but the next slide is the solution, so when you're ready, move on and take a look at the solution. So here's the solution of how you could arrange the dots so you have a total of 3 plus 2, which is 5, plus another 2, 7, plus one more is 8, so 8 on each side. I was looking at the top side there. We'd love to see how you get on solving these domino problems, so do email us your work if you can.